Hey there, this is Nicholas Flatoff. I work with Sovda Coffee. I'm a technician with them, and I'm really excited to be standing here at Onyx, which is one of Sovda's earliest partnerships on the optical sorters. We recently had the pleasure to come back out and do some more optimization and get a second optical sorter in with Onyx as their workflow has expanded. In that process, we were able to come up with a couple really awesome special integrations. Onyx has three primary workflow stations that touch the Sovda equipment. The first is the transitioning from the roasted coffee into the lift system. We were able to come up with a sensor unit that automatically starts lifting the coffee once the coffee is dropped from the roaster. That was a unique solution that was first installed at Onyx and designed in collaboration with Onyx. From our custom compact auto start hoppers, we have a special conveyance system. This one is integrated with a food safe clear plastic tubing that just increases the aesthetic appeal of the roastery, since you can see it straight from the cafe at Onyx HQ. The conveyance system is a vacuum driven system, so we've got a beautiful vacuum manifold on the exterior of the building to keep noise reduced, and that will actually pull the coffee through the tube into a specific cyclone system that, when that opens, drops the coffee into a pass-through hopper that will penetrate through the floor and basically place the coffee relatively gently on the top of the Pearl's vibrator plate so it can be fed into the optical sorters. Finally, getting down to the Pearl Minis, this is really the gold of the Sovda Onyx partnership. We have two Pearl Minis running in parallel to meet Onyx's really awesome capacity here, running a 35 and a 70. This solution allows them to also roast dual coffees at the same time. The Pearl is a really incredible machine, and I've seen it integrated for a lot of different points, whether that's upsorting a lower grade coffee. What I'm super passionate about, though, is of course, just achieving that maximum potential of a specific coffee. When we look at the supply chain going all the way back, we have a ton of human touches before that coffee gets to us. And really, there's a philosophy of honoring that coffee and of not taking away from the coffee. And really, all that we can do as roasters and baristas is just maximize what's already there. The optical sorter is a unique integration where you're taking something away that actually does make the coffee better. This, I think, is important for two reasons. First, you're just able to have a really consistent, clean cup where you're not having to fight with Quakers, whether they're wheaty or butyric. It's just a really great way to keep that cup nice and clean. But I think more importantly, going into a future where climate change is consistently affecting our coffee quality, we're already seeing it with natural process out of Ethiopia and some impacts just globally on the coffee quality and particularly the price for a good quality coffee. What that optical sorter is giving you is another line of defense to be able to either buy a lot from a farmer that had a bad year and still be able to get them money, still be able to purchase that coffee, clean it up and sell it for a profit. And really just hedge against the uncertainties that the specialty coffee industry is facing in the future. Onyx has been there from the very beginning for Sovda, purchasing one of our earliest units, I think the first unit in the United States. We're super happy to be coming back and getting a second integration with Onyx, putting the Sovda brand out there. It's very exciting for us.